What are you riding, Al?
My bike.
Yeah, and where'd you get that bike?
From Santa.
Oh. Let me see you go all the way that way, over around the corner. Because you're so good. She went like a mile the other day on it. You have a huge endurance. Now what do you do?
She's stuck and she needs to pedal. Pedal, pedal.
How about you? Oh wait, show us your new wrist thing. You just got that today in place of your cast. Woohoo!
Okay, let's go, guys.
All right. Hey. Hi.
Ciao.